Hello! Welcome to December 12th.
That's right.
Yeah. The reason why this is late is because no one didn't get here until 2 p.m.
They gave me an option not to be here, and I chose not to work on my essay.
Oh yeah, and then he slept until 2.
Yeah, because
I need to work on my essay.
Because
hey guys, I just woke up. It's 1 p.m.
And because I got an hour of sleep yesterday, I need to catch up.
That's how Emma works on her essays.
Anyway, if you're new here,
That is how she works on her
be
essay.
sure to hit that subscribe button. Hopefully we'll have this on time tomorrow at 10 a.m. Central Time. Probably won't. Also, we're having premieres, and now Emma and I are running the chats because our mom isn't good at it.
And I'll join in, because why not? So there's 22 compartments. We're reusing 2 of them to get 24, which is the amount of days preceding Christmas. In each compartment, we have 5 gifts, each corresponding to one child of my parents. Me, Emma, Jonah, Micah, and Luca. And that way, we open up 5 gifts each day. We have a bunch of sponsorships. That's basically how this works.
Except this one isn't sponsored.
Yeah, this one
That's
isn't sponsored.
right.
It's pretty straightforward.
Let's get right on into day number 12.
It's 12/12. Guess what's inside compartment number 12?
It's 12
December.
years.
12.
12 years of
Open
aging.
it, Noah.
Day of the dozens.
Oh, dang.
Okay, I have to get it out.
Krispy Kreme!
Yeah!
Because it is 12/12, you can buy a dozen at Krispy Kreme today and get another one for $1. Look at these Christmas donuts.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat one of those, but not right now because I'm not in the mood for anything.
That's what the video is about. You have to eat one.
Okay, I'm gonna eat. Are these like filled?
Give somebody a better shot at it.
I need a small plate then.
Yes.
Get multiple small plates.
Just get napkins. Okay, flavors. We got chocolate glazed sprinkles.
Donuts?
You'll get one.
This one's filled with chocolate, and it's got Santa on it. This one's a glazed with stuff on it. And this one, I am not sure. I think it's just a donut
You'll
with
get
a
one.
penguin on
It's
it.
an ugly sweater donut.
Ugly sweater.
What's in it? Anything? No?
Micah, what does Micah want? Which one does Micah want?
Cherry
He
bomb.
wants the green one.
He wants a green donut.
Don't give him the full thing. Not in our living room.
Alright, sit down, Micah.
I guess we'll just do that. Give your child a full donut on the 12th of December. All right.
Thanks, Emma.
Thanks.
Good.
Welcome. The boys left to go get napkins and plates and
Because
stuff.
we have tiny little plates.
Why would you
We can put the tiny little donuts on the tiny plates.
Why would you dirty up a plate?
Mike,
Why not?
Why not? I mean,
All right. Because this video wouldn't be very long if it was just us eating donuts and then closing off the video, we're going to be answering questions from Instagram.
yay!
That's right.
which one did you choose, Jonah?
I chose the one with sprinkles.
Chocolate glaze with sprinkles?
Don't listen to my music. It's not very good yet, but
What one
I'm
did you
I'm
choose?
working on it.
What one did you
Where
choose,
is it?
Noah?
I got this one. Literally my favorite donut.
Mommy, you're the
What do you
potato.
guys want for Christmas?
Is that from Haya?
Yes.
Okay.
Hold on, Emma, first. What donut
You didn't read the
pick?
rest of it. I don't know what to get you guys.
It's from Haya.
It is from mine.
Emma,
So-
show me your donut.
So literally, I don't want anything for Christmas because I've already got everything I need.
This is Haya asking.
But Haya, for you,
You're one of our friends, by the way.
give me literally the most ridiculous thing you can think of that's still within the margin of error of something I would like.
I think Haya already got me something, but
Me too.
but
But I want Wendy's.
Also, are you enjoying your lightsaber? I hope you are. I hope you're holding it right now and going whirl, whirl, whirl with it.
I don't know what I'd like. A little Pop Wheel keychain.
All right.
I don't know.
Next question.
What's your favorite memory of being on KittiesMama?
WWE, that one where we ripped the pill in half and we fought each other on a big, huge ring that was made out of a bed.
Do they mean like a video or like the
Whatever
whole
you decide the answer is.
Well, that's
Um,
that's a video.
E3 was cool, and we got to do that because of YouTube, and so that's my answer.
The one time I almost broke my finger. Just kidding. That really wasn't much of a video.
Honestly,
I
my
like E3.
You meeting Game Grumps?
Game Rooms.
What about being a Nintendo?
Nintendo.
That was cool too.
Going and
at
doing Nintendo stuff was always cool. I like doing that.
my favorite memory was
Pixar was cool.
Watching Inside Out at a Pixar theater.
what was
Yeah,
that
that's
one movie that we watched with the actors? And, like
Inside
we
Out.
It
What do you
Echo,
say?
Earth Echo.
yeah, Earth Echo. We hung out with the Earth Echo actors, and then we met Shaytards, and it was just a fun time.
Almost PewDiePie.
And then we went to the beach after that, didn't we?
It was
I
fun.
don't know.
It was really fun.
This was a long time ago, but no
Yeah,
one's talking about.
and also one of the most vivid memories of YouTube. I don't know why, but it was like the one like company in LA that mother really liked. 10 years old.
Tubular?
It was
Yeah,
Tubular
it was
or
Tubular.
the other one.
It was
There were
the
two
other one.
companies we got mixed up all the
Epoxy.
time.
It was epoxy.
Yeah.
It was epoxy. Epoxy is really cool. I don't know what's going on with them right now, but I remember
They're
their.
shut down.
Yeah.
Oh. I remember their company. It was so cool. That's like my favorite.
Oh, that was
memory.
a fun trip.
I like went
I just
into
remember
their
they had a
office
dog.
and they were
They
like
had a
super
cool
friendly.
office environment.
I have pictures of that from on my 3DS.
Yeah, they were
My
like
pizza was bad.
They were super friendly. Like that's why it's like one of my favorite memories because they
Wow.
were super
What about
friendly.
staff meetings at Semaphore?
Semaphore's awesome. Semaphore is literally amazing.
If you are a YouTuber and you need your taxes done, call Semaphore.
Yeah, of
Get
course
your
you do.
taxes
I mean,
done
like,
right.
if you're a YouTuber, you kind of do need to do your taxes. Like, I mean, if you're anyone.
Do you guys still like doing YouTube, or does it feel like a chore now? And I'm gonna tack onto that because this is something that we get hate on.
Well-
Am I forcing you to make videos? And
All right.
All right,
Yes
so-
to that last one.
These videos,
It's a complicated answer.
these videos are fun. These advent kind of videos, I love doing these. But
Branded videos usually suck because brands. We like brands.
But
We
they
like
have, like,
them
a
sending
list-
us stuff.
Okay.
It's really cool.
they
Some
have a
brands
list
are
of
fun.
things that are like, you need to do this, and whenever we do it, they complain about it. That's happened so many times. It's
All right.
awful.
Yeah, we have a lot of brands that are really nice. So, for example,
Beachbody last year.
yeah, Beachbody is the coolest brand ever.
And
Even though I
Nintendo's
wasn't
always
part
fun.
of those videos because
Nintendo's
I don't know what I was doing. I must have been busy with something, but
Nintendo's fun. There are brands that we won't name that are absolutely awful with branded videos. But I enjoy doing these advent calendar videos and makeup videos and like challenge videos. But I really dislike other videos. That are
Branded videos can be okay.
All right, next question. Bunch of kids watching this. They don't want to hear about that.
Okay, so I'm gonna rephrase the way they asked this question, but what college course are you most looking forward to taking when you get to college?
Most looking.
Logic.
I read this question and it was which one are you taking, and you phrased it in a way that's much less fun.
Logic.
Because I am not looking forward to any course in college ever.
I'm looking.
Not at all.
Okay,
It's
first.
just for asking you yesterday what college courses you could take.
Because I don't want to do that's like saying, what can I do? I don't want to do school. I want to do something that's easy, but I don't want to do it.
All right. All right.
What about lab?
Don't want to do anything.
CSI lab stuff.
What about game creation?
I won't
3D
do.
animation?
That'd be interesting.
I want to do 2D
Guys,
animation. But
I'm
I don't know
really-
if I really need to go to college for that.
Guys.
I would want to do investigative stuff, and
They don't care about college.
Wow,
They're
I'm
not
the one
excited.
not making money in this family.
They're not excited about college courses, but I'm excited to do calculus, and I'm excited to do computer logic and algorithms, so I can learn how to do neural networks and stuff like that, and then like do projects and essays based off of it. That would be so fun, and I'm really excited to do derivatives in calculus because I can take noise out of stuff, and then whenever I like go online and I see a noisy graph, I'll just do it for fun and be like, ooh yeah.
What were our jobs before you two?
Father sold aircraft parts, and we won't say the name because
then it's too
I mean
specific.
it's large. You
But
recognize
then
it.
it's too specific.
Yeah, it's too specific to where we nope. Mother did web design and graphic design stuff. My favorite meme.
Favorite meme.
Can I get a roast beef sandwich with no beef because I don't like the violence, or a chocolate cookies food?
Yeah, you gotta be really careful with this question because it'll date it.
Wait, what is
Yeah.
it? What was the question?
What favorite meme is?
Oh. Okay. I
I'm
don't
going-
forget this.
You gotta go with an old one.
Void memes. Void memes.
Scary.
Okay, what are those?
Terrifying.
Go on.
What?
What are those?
It's
Okay, so
I'll
void
let
memes
you
are, they used to be like crappy stuff where like the annoying orange would just do like, just a scream.
It's like in a video, it starts playing and then it kind of fades to black and it fades back and it's like a terrifying picture that has like awful noise in the background.
Yes, and then it does it over and over again.
Whoa!
The
Was
best
that
one
caught
I've
on
seen
camera? That was
covers all
crazy.
focus.
He did that and actually caught it.
I just like void memes because I can send it to my friends and they'll be absolutely terrified.
I like.
I like a lot of them. I'll have to look through my meme folder.
I did love Bongo Cat, and that's the only thing that I liked in YouTube Rewind.
I like
I don't know.
And Primitive Technology. Primitive Technology was good.
I don't know.
So we've got two people asking
Stop
why
it.
we weren't active last year on YouTube.
we were
We were more active last year than we are this
It's
year.
because YouTube didn't give you notifications and it didn't show it in your subscription feed.
Yep.
That's why.
Because
YouTube wiped us
sucks.
clean.
YouTube decided that we're uncool and hashtag lame,
Yeah.
so they decided to nerf us.
So we no longer existed for a little
For
while.
our subscribers
Yeah,
and
you're-
literally everyone.
Are we planning on having more babies?
Yes,
I
our
don't-
mom is planning on
No.
having 6 more kids.
I don't understand why everyone
No.
keeps asking, is your mom pregnant again?
She's
is she gonna have
about-
another kid?
She's about to be too old to like even have children.
No.
Luca was born a week ago. Why do you think she'd be pregnant now?
She's actually pregnant 3 times since.
No.
Oh dang, that's a lot of.
She's already had 3 children since Luca was
She's
born.
3 months pregnant and Micah was born.
We're running out of batteries, so one more question.
One more question?
Yeah, I like it.
Also, the live chat is always fun. If you want to ask more questions, the live chat for this, I would
There'll
have
be the live
would
chat
have already answered it by
Yeah.
the time you're watching.
The live chat would be going right now.
What is your favorite thing about making videos on YouTube?
My favorite thing about making videos on YouTube is that it's a job and we get paid for it.
Not anymore.
Barely, but it works. And also interacting with you guys.
I do like.
But it's also a job.
I like YouTube. It's we got people that we can interact with.
Yes, and we go to things like events. That's
Yeah,
cool.
we go places.
Events
It
are cool.
lets us travel places
And
meet
see
people,
you guys.
and it's
I
very
have enough
nice.
money to go skiing right now, and that's what I'm gonna do.
We met someone at our garage sale and they were like, I watch you guys. And that's like the nicest thing you could say to us. I watch you guys, not I used to watch you
I
guys.
used to watch you. You used to
That's-
be my role model. I
that
used to
just-
love you.
That just kills
Don't
us.
say that. Say, I don't know. Literally
I
all
watched
of my
500 of your
comments
videos last night,
on
and I
any-
loved each and every one of them.
on every social media of mine that I have.
Micah,
The comments
please
are.
stop.
I used to watch your YouTube videos.
You want to know what I like about making videos? It was a way for us to all work together for a common goal, and I feel like we were all closer because of it.
It's so cool to see you guys grow up, and I can go back and look at it anytime.
They're like, they're video logs of our lives.
So we go like 2 years ago and then see how we were.
Yeah, so you can always go back and watch us being cringy.
Yeah,
sick
someday
now.
when everyone on Earth dies and civilization restarts, they'll see these videos and be like, whoa, there was a kid's channel named KittiesMama.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And to those of you who have stayed and watched us growing up, that's cool. We really appreciate that.
Yeah.
We appreciate those of you who stay and
before
those of
Micah
you
existed.
who enjoy our videos. And we still appreciate those who say used to watch our videos.
Yes.
It's just a little
It's not exactly what we want to
it's
hear.
just a little disheartening when all of my comments are I used to watch your videos.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Anyways,
That's because no one watches our videos anymore.
the second camera is dead, so we might as well end this. So thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Whoa, bye.
See you next time, YouTube. By the way,
Subscribe.
AMA,
Amen.
Make sure you
AMA videos are my favorite.
make
type,
sure you
so
click the bell to be
keep doing
notified when we upload this. Hopefully at the right time tomorrow. But click these rectangles for videos and click the circle to subscribe, even if they're not there.